Hi, my dear friends, it's UUTAi again and my lessons how to play on juice harp or hummus, how we call it in my republic in Yakutia. I hope that you checked my first lessons because it's very important, and today we will try to use a new sound. We call it sound bird. It's a bird who say yo 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 yo. So it's a sound yo 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 yo. Okay, we need to practice this. We need to say it slowly first. We need to say yo 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 yo, and with time we need to do it faster. And you have more free time, I think, during driving after, or when you're watching TV, or when you're cooking. You can do it. You can say yo 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 yo, because our mouths, our lips, our tongue need to more practice every day to make a good, beautiful sound. Also, I have good news today. I received new hummus from one of my favorite masters. It's Sergey Pyzhov. You can check him in internet. You can find him in social nets. It's a really incredible, amazing master who making very good hummuses, very good juice harps with beautiful sound. It's very deep, it has very good vibration, and today we will use it in our lesson. So, bird, yo 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 yo. Let's do it together slowly. Yo 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 yo. Okay, now we will try to do it with our juice harp. I hope you remember how to use it, how to do it right. We need to put this thin part on our main teeth here. Yeah, we need to push from this hand to our teeth. Yeah, pressure. Yeah, this hand very freely. Yeah, feel it. Okay, try to do first sound, simple sound. Now we try to say yo without voice. Yeah, like a fish. Yo 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 yo. Okay, and we breathe by nose, not mouth, because it will change our sound. It will be not beautiful, not right. Okay, let's try again, slowly. Yo 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 yo. Faster. Yo 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 yo. Yo 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 yo. Yo 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 yo. Yo 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 yo. We can make a beautiful, interesting melody with only this simple yo yo yo. Bird, yo yo yo. Yo 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 yo. How it? I hope you can do it right without voice. We need to practice every day. We need practice every day to make it faster, because if it's faster, it's more beautiful, and it will be like a really bird sound. and please try to make a melody, rhythmic melody. Breathing by nose, don't forget. So I hope that you will do it every day. I hope that you will practice it, because it's really beautiful sound, and I wish you good luck. Don't forget about your hummus, and every time if you have questions, if you want my advices, you can write to me on my email, or you can check my first lessons. You can write to me in comments to this video. Don't forget to subscribe and to say your friends that I have these lessons. Do it every day, because really it's very important to practice our mouth, our tongue, and with time you will be super professional juice harp virtuoso. Good luck, bye bye, till my next lessons.